So let's see some part of speech question. Which word is used for not much or hardly any? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Little. Which word is used for not much or hardly any? इसका आंसर होगा little. Which word has negative meaning? Which word has negative meaning? इसका आंसर होगा little. Which word means some though not much? इसका आंसर होगा a little. कुछ मतलब है. Which word means some though not much? कुछ है ज्यादा नहीं का मतलब इसका होगा a little. A little. Which word has a positive meaning? इसका आंसर होगा a little. Which word has a positive meaning? इसका आंसर होगा a little. Which word is used for not much but all there is? All there is. इसका आंसर होगा the little. Which word is used for not much but all there is? इसका आंसर होगा the little. Which word is used for not many, hardly any? It has negative meaning. Few, a few, the few, much few. तो इसका आंसर होगा few. Which word is used for some? It has a positive meaning. It is also opposed to none. Few, a few, the few, much few. तो इसका आंसर होगा a few. A few. Which word is used for not many but all there is? तो इसका आंसर होगा the few. A few, a few, the few, much few. तो इसका आंसर होगा the few. A और an is known as indefinite article. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? A और an is known as definite article, indefinite article, countable noun, uncountable noun. तो इसको हम बोलेंगे indefinite article. A और an is an indefinite article because it is usually leaves definite person or thing spoken of. A or an is an indefinite article because it usually leaves definite person or thing spoken of. It usually leaves indefinite person or thing spoken of. It never leaves indefinite person or thing spoken of. None of these. तो इसका आंसर होगा it usually leaves indefinite person or thing spoken of. It an article. It is an article. It is normally points out some particular person or thing. It is definite article, indefinite article, uncountable article, uncountable article. तो इसका आंसर होगा indefinite article. Indefinite article. Next है the definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, uncountable nouns. All of these. तो इसका आंसर होगा all of these. The word like our honest air begin with vowel sound, consonant sound, mixed sound and none of these. तो इसका आंसर होगा vowel sound. To thine own self be true. He cares for nothing but self. He thinks much of self. तो इसमें self in these sentences is of an adjective, a preposition, a pronoun, a noun. तो इसका आंसर होगा a noun. तो इसका आंसर होगा a noun. I love myself. The grammatical category of myself is reflexive pronoun. Proper pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, or none of these. तो इसका आंसर होगा reflexive pronoun. Pronouns which are used for the sake of emphasis are called possessive pronoun, interrogative pronouns, emphatic pronouns, none of these. तो इसका आंसर होगा emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are also known as emphasizing pronouns, synthesizing pronoun, possessive pronouns, none of these. तो इसका होगा emphasizing pronouns. So अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए कीप ऑन टच. टेक केयर योरसेल्फ. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब भी करिएगा. थैंक यू. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti. So today we are going to see some singular and plural words. So let's see what we have. First word is our omen doctor. Omen doctor का क्या हो जाएगा? Omen doctors. Plural of child is children. Plural of child is children. The plural of foot is feet. Forget me not is the singular of forgets me not. Forget me nots. Forget me not is the singular of forgets me not. The plural of goose is geese. द प्लूरल ऑफ लॉर्ड जस्टिस इज लॉर्ड जस्टिस. द प्लूरल ऑफ लॉर्ड जस्टिस इज लॉर्ड जस्टिस. The plural of mouse is mice. The plural of mouse is mice. The plural of maid servant is maid servants. The plural of spoonful is spoonfuls. Spoonfuls. The plural of Mr. Agrawal is Mr. Agrawals. Mr. Agrawals. The plural of hope is hopes. The plural of hope is hopes. The plural of ox is oxen. The plural of ox is oxen. The plural of louse is lice. The plural of louse is lice. Lice. And the plural of axis is axes. The plural of axis is axes. The plural of amaze is amaze. Amaze. The plural of analysis is analysis. Analysis. The plural of analysis is analysis. The singular of basis is basis. The singular of crisis is crisis. SE यहाँ पे SES है, यहाँ पे SIS हो जाएगा. The singular of bacteria is bacterium. Bacterium. The singular of bacteria is bacterium. The singular of data is datum. I think datum. हाँ. The singular of data is datum. The plural of erratum is errata. The plural of erratum is errata. The plural of focus is foci. The plural of focus is foci. Locus is singular of locus is singular of loci. Locus is singular of loci. The plural of larva is larvae. 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 Radius is the singular of radii. Radius is the singular of radii. The plural of stratum is strata. The plural of stratum is strata. The singular of formulae of formulas is. इसका आंसर आप लोग दीजिएगा.